me great pleasure to present this award to the fireman, Capleton. That day has come. Blessings.
Greetings in the name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. Holy Emmanuel I, Selassie I, Jah! Yeah, it's a great pleasure, you know. Yeah, I just want to say, I want to give thanks, yeah man, to the Ministry of Culture and Entertainment, you know what I mean? And to all the people of Jamaica and all my fans worldwide, you know what I mean? It's a great joy, you know what I mean, to be honored tonight, as Jamaica celebrate 63 years of independence. A long time we are under fire, we travel 4 corners of the earth, represent the music, represent reggae music, represent dancehall, you know what I mean? And I want to big up all the icons before me and the youth them to come. And we are say good over evil, equal rights and justice for all, salvation, redemption, repatriation, restoration, liberation, emancipation, self-esteem, self-awareness, self-reliance, self-thought, self-control, respect, discipline, diligence, humility, tolerance. All pro-Jamaican say more fire. Thank you.